Hey everyone! Today we're creating the Motion Pluse logo. The highlight is the abstract svastic icon with a hidden plus sign and negative space, sitting next to the text. Let's dive into the design process.
I got lost in summer feelings that I can't seem to find my way to breathe. Need you by my side, I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time, leave it all behind. Life can get so rough, hope that I'm enough. Let me be the one for you. I'm trying not to let go of my pride, but every time you come back, it's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside, I just wanna be the